on to the supplementation and nutrition part. I can't stress enough, if you want to get strong, you got to be able to recover with your food and your supplementation. Now, you guys have seen a lot of plans out there. The cool thing about my plan is no guessing. You don't have to guess 30% of this, 20% of that. I don't even roll like that. I just put it together, show it to you. All you got to do is print it out, take the supplements at this time, eat at this time, and I'm going to lead you through the entire process right now. Alright, so now we're going to go over a whole day of supplements and nutrition. As soon as I jump out of bed, because I train early in the morning, I'll go right to my salt, which is our pre-workout. Now, the new hottest product on the market, which is the Arnold Iron Test, which is our test booster, we're going to go ahead and take 2 of those, stacked with the Assault, hit the gym. As soon as I'm done with the gym, I go right to my branched chain powder. Stuff tastes great, by the way. Put a couple scoops in my shaker bottle and ready to rock. Now, at this point, I'm starving because I didn't train hard, and you guys will see this with the workout. As soon as I roll home, it's right to some healthy protein and fats, some low glycemic carbohydrates, and some fruits right at the end of it. So the way that looks for us is we're going to go 3 to 4 whole eggs. Use organic eggs. Usually I use coconut oil to cook them in. I usually like them over hard or scrambled. Right to a cup of fruit. That goes inside my oatmeal, which I'll cook. So once again, we go pre-assault and test, to the gym, post-workout, branch chains, rush home right to your food, your eggs, your oatmeal, and your fruit. So for most people that do not train first thing in the morning, which I absolutely preach that because it gets your day off to a great start. But if you don't, you would get up, eat your breakfast, train, and then use the second meal as your post-workout shake, which would be the Iron Mass. So when I take my Iron Mass, it's actually my second meal, but it could be your second meal plus your post-workout. So we'll do 2 scoops of Iron Mass. You're getting over 400 quality calories, low sugar, high protein, tastes great. Help with the recovery of this program because it's so intense. Right when I go from the Iron Mass, 2 to 3 hours later, we're going to go back into our whole food meals, which is going to be chicken, 8 ounces of chicken, sweet potatoes, which is my favorite. Now the way that you prepare the sweet potato is very easy. I know I'm like low maintenance when it comes to cooking, so just wet this towel, do one of these numbers, poke it with your fork, throw it in the microwave for 6 minutes, and there you go. Now if you're a busy person and you don't even have time for that, you can always do rice in the bag, 90 seconds. So once again, you're going to go your chicken or your meat source right into your carb source, and on to the next meal. Now that we're done with meal 3, our whole food meal, we're going to go on to our shake, which is our 4th meal. Once again, back to the Iron Mass. What I love about the Iron Mass is your carb source in this is mostly sweet potato also. You got 40 grams of protein, 34 carbohydrates, 490 calories, but only 4 sugars, which is huge for a mass gainer. Now you go from the mass gainer to your dinner. For dinner, we're going to add, once again, your 8 ounces of meat. You got your 2 cups of veggies, and right back into your carb source again. So at the end of the day, we're just doing all quality foods throughout. Now, snack time. Everybody's hungry at nighttime. We're going to do a cup of walnuts, almonds, or cashews, a cup of berries, and if you want, you can add another scoop of mash, just 1 scoop, not 2, like the other meals, that's up to you. So I've led you through the workouts. I've showed you all the forms. We talked about intensity. I've led you through the food, the supplementation. Now, just wrap it all together and go get strong.